Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and Chef and Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create this cosmic effect to typography within Adobe Photoshop. Really cool creation and really cool idea that could be commonly used across a wide range of designs within graphic design. And what I want to do is show you the step-by-step process of how to create such a cosmic look to some typography. Okay. So what I'm going to do is let's remove all the top layers here and we're going to start afresh. Fantastic. So what I've done and created earlier is just a background layer which I've applied a gradient to it. Okay, so let's go to our typography tool, which is situated here. Shortcut is the letter T, and we're going to write the word cosmic. Fantastic. I'm going to use the shortcut Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to resize here. Like so, perfect. And I'm just going to click here to say, yes, I'm happy with the transformation, the scaling. Just want to get my alignment correct also as well. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command A on Mac or Control A on Windows to select the whole document here. And as you can see, I've got my alignment options up here, making sure the typography layer is highlighted. And I'm going to align horizontally and vertically center. And let's deselect now, which is the shortcut Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. Okay, so what we're going to do is first of all to this layer is add a few styles to it, all right? So what we're going to do is double click in this empty space on the layer, which will bring up our layer style, okay? What I want to do first of all is add a little gradient overlay to this one here. Don't worry about the color of black and white. It's going to be changed at a later stage. And what I want to do is come through and let's just manipulate this like so. We're going to bring the size down of our bevel and boss option, okay? And that's where we want to have it at the moment currently. Okay, now with this layer here, what I now need to do is add a gradient map adjustment layer. So I'm going to come through to my adjustment layer options here, and we're going to scroll down right to the bottom, and we have the option of adding and applying a gradient map adjustment layer. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, the whole thing has been changed here with this blue and white gradient. I want to change it and give it more of a cosmic, funky look. So if I double click here, we have all of our options to come through and change the gradients. But I prepared this rainbow gradient here earlier, which I will be using myself. Okay, fantastic. Now let's go back to the layers. Now what we're going to do is go back to our bevel and boss option. So just double click the word here. What we're going to do is increase the size of the bevel. And as you can see now, that sort of cosmic look is coming to life. What I want to do is manipulate the glass contour as well. So we'll have a little look. Let's say, yeah, I probably like that one there, but there's many that you can choose from. I think I want to settle for that one there. As you can see, it's quite cosmic. Okay. Now let's press OK. So what I'm now going to do to that typography layer is convert it into a smart object. So I'm going to go right click on the layer and convert to smart object. The reason is now I want to apply a filter to this particular text here. So I'm going to go to filter, liquify. Wonderful. I'm just going to give a little bit of a warping option now to my wording. Make it look a bit cosmic-y. Very subtle. And let's press OK. Wonderful. Now I just want to create a clipping mask on this top layer just so it affects the typography only. As you can see, it's affecting the gradient underneath. So if I go right click on the layer, I have the option of creating a clipping mask. Okay, wonderful. Now what I want to do is add a little bit of elements on the back that looks a bit plain, the background. So I'm going to come to my background layer here, just add a brand new layer. Wonderful. I'm going to come through to my brushes tool, and let's look at our brushes library here. The one I will be using will be Carl's splatter brush. Fantastic. And I'm going to come through now and apply some splatters with the color blue is the foreground color. Like so. And that's how you create the cosmic type with Adobe Photoshop. Thank you very much, guys, for taking the time and listening to my effect. I really want you to use it and create some really cool stuff within your graphic design life. And good luck. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.